R&D team successfully developed the newest product, Mini DC UPS battery backup, which applied to 5G telecom, Wi-Fi router, IP camera, etc. Let the Wi-Fi and IP camera never be stopped. It is safe, small, smart. Mylion offer OEM and ODM battery solution, which applied to smart AI robot, medical equipment, garden tools, agriculture pump or sprayer, solar LED lighting, emergency lighting, door access. Mylion also designed the battery with I2C, SM bus or CAN bus communication port. Then we can control the battery or instrument by our smartphone or app. Lead us to the AI world. All of our single cell with CE, CB, ROS, UN 38.3, KC, BIS, MSDS, UL certification. 100% full inspection for all of our order. Make sure the good quality for our customer. Fast reply, fast lead time, professional technology support, and honest service are our feature. Welcome distributor from the worldwide.